Chiefs, brethren, yo. We're going to get started on Slime Season 2. Slime Season 2, Part 2, Episode 2. Hey, whatever I just said. I'm going to keep it 100 stack, 100 P. I went out last night. I'm a very introvert person. Hermit. I don't go out. I went out with my friends last night. I drank a little bit. It is very early in the morning for me. I am doing morning streams. I'm doing 2 streams in one day. I'm watching Slime today in the morning, and then I'm going to watch One Piece later on tonight. 2 episodes. Yo, Spicy! Thank you for the gift of sub. I appreciate it truly. Thank you, homie. Means a lot. Where was I? Don't interrupt me, please. I'm very sleepy. So I'm doing slimes in the morning so I can upload them the same day they're supposed to come out. So if you guys are curious and want to watch these live before anyone else, make sure to come out to the live streams. I live stream every single day, but I do streams in the morning such as slime. Annotation is going to be on the screen. Link is going to be down in the description below. Go drop it a follow. Go click the follow button. I would appreciate it truly. And come catch the stream later on today when we're watching double One Piece. I think we're watching Little Garden. And it's pretty cool. And I'm enjoying the hell out of it. Subscribe if you guys are new. There's about 66% of you guys that still have not subbed, but keep continuing to watch my slime related content. Make sure to like, subscribe if you guys are enjoying the content. And thank you to my patrons. I just uploaded Kaguya-sama Love is War OVA on there, and I'm doing episodes of Cautious Hero. We're on episode 8 so far. So if that interests you guys at all, make sure to go check out the Patreon. Everybody on the screen right now, I do appreciate you guys for supporting me on the Patreon side of things. It means a lot, and it means a lot that, you guys want to help your boy out and get these uploads out every single day. With that being said, Big Chiefs, let's get it started. I'm super stoked for Slime. Let's see where the show can go. For that shit. Probably won't be fake as fuck. I could cry right now, bro. But I have to record, so fuck you. Alright, so Rimuru and Tempest now buddy, and now they have shown their buddiness, their best friendo to everybody in the town. And the cooking from that one girl is no longer horrible, even though she does make some rancid food. It's not that bad. Would you guys still eat it though? I probably would. For Booba, of course. Oh, what is this? B-A-O? Holy Empire of Lubilius? Bro, let's keep it a stack. That is the dumbest name I've ever heard in my life. I'm gonna name my dog Lubilius. Yo? So why is there a vampire here? Any of who disgrace the one only god Luminous will not be tolerated. Why is there a god here? Dead. Wait, who was that guy again? The clown one. He was from season 1. I just do not remember. That was so long ago, bruh. 3 clowns. Oh yeah, there was 3 clowns in the schmicks. I forgot about that. He's with Clayman, I think. Damn. So is the vampires going against him now, or what's up? This is getting about to get interesting. Yo, those look good. I really feel bad for the slime who's got no idea he's wrapped up in your scheme. Us? You are the weirdo with twisted ambition hidden behind the face of the Grand Master. Oh, he's scheming? Oh, shit. You dare take the attitude with me, the Demon Lord Kazarim, when you haven't seen me in 200 years? Am I supposed to... I'm sorry. Am I supposed to know who this is? Obviously, it's been a long time since we've seen, like, season 1 of this show. So, like, yeah. No? Okay, cool. New character? Okay, cool. So, but I was just like, they're referencing this person as if I've seen his face before and then getting transferred into this blonde body. You know? This blonde body. Wait. Is Clayman an underling to this person? Or what the hell? Like... I'm trying to eat those danishes or whatever the fuck there's that's on the table. That thing looks delicious. If the president calls you boss, you're my boss too. Yo. So I decided to head to the top of the sacred mountain. Okay, so we infiltrated trying to get information. Yeah, I was like, how is he still alive? He literally got his, like, everything cut off. That's called blood ray. It turns blood into magic particles. Yo. Which are fired as a beam. That's tight. That's a new vampire move that I would want to see more of. Is that the cloistered emperor was actually a demon lord? Oh, word. Valentine sees humans and demi-humans as no more than food. I'm just trying to make sure. There's a lot of dialogue, YouTube, so I'm just trying to make sure I'm reading everything. So sorry if I'm pausing and reading. It's probably gonna, like, my mods already told me it's gonna be a dialogue heavy episode. I literally just woke up, so I'm just trying to, you know, pay attention. Ria as yall, thank you for the follow. Yo, what's up, Ritz Bits? Yo, I wonder what was in that place that he was protecting so badly. If he's not even supposed to be there. There's a lot of alliance of 3 demon lords can do, right? Yeah. This? Oh man, this is getting interesting. This is getting interesting because there's going to be a lot more powerful people in play than before. Because now it's just like a lot of like demon lords. Now that Rimuru has become a demon lord, there's going to be a lot more like demon lords, and then what's going to be more powerful than that demon lord, and like we're just going to keep going into higher-esque stuff. So it's going to be pretty interesting to see where everything falls out, you know? Oh, I forgot. This guy pulled up on Rimuru last time and fucking Katon Gogenang no Jutsu'd his ass. Pretty prominent bunch of people. My man is in some normal drags, bruh. You love to see it. What's up, Ash? Oh shit, this is gonna be interesting. Yeah, how are they gonna react to this? Big ass thunder dragon, by the way. Very few people have had a chance to speak with me. Oh, I'd be shitting my shit, bro. Like, this is not okay. Scared shitless, by the way. What do you need to talk to me about? That's my homie. What? That's my homie right there, chilling. All right, it's halfway point so far. Just a lot of discussing, a lot of like, you know, governmental issues. That's what this show's like, you know, that's this show's world building is exposition, and just characters meeting other characters and intertwining with one another. So as much as it's early in the morning for me, I still just gotta keep paying attention. So if you guys are enjoying the episode as much as I am, leave a like and a comment. I should make some coffee. That coffee looking good. Or maybe that's tea, but fuck tea. I want some coffee. What I say dictates Thalian's position, okay? I'm assuming the dragon just ravaged shit before he got sealed up, right? I'm assuming that's why everyone's so like crazy about it. Bro, how long was he explaining that for? That's probably like gonna be like for a 30-minute explanation. Him being like, okay, right here, right here, right here. You know, like what the hell? See, exactly. They're overwhelmed. I'd be overwhelmed too. I want to know why they're so distraught about it. The evil dragon. Okay, well that kind of answers my question, huh? Stop calling him the evil dragon. Call him Tempest. Like, bro, what's up, Elmo? Come on. Doesn't seem like there'll be any avoiding the Western Holy Church, so we'll have to do something. Bro, Rimuru's word should already be good enough. Man, y'all are speaking in riddles. You guys better start talking correctly to me, bro. I am a demon lord. You guys better start talking straightforward. They're talking around me. I don't like that. You better talk directly to me. All these fucking metaphors and shit. Like, bro, I don't care about none of that. What are your intentions now? You should really learn the art of the unspoken message. Fuck no, you better talk directly. You know how many people I killed 4 episodes ago? Talk directly to me, bruh. Not this metaphorical shit. It's too early for this. In formal settings, please address me with both my name and my title. I am charged with taking responsibility for that. Oh, she's the one that told him? I don't remember her telling him anything. Oh, now I remember her telling him everything. I forgot about that. The fairy tale. I choose friendship. I would too, bro. You're gonna go up against him and Veldora? You're smoking that crack, that isekai crack. And there's not a single survivor. No bodies, no survivors. That's OD. Oh, and now they're gonna tell their story and try to get their stories intertwined with one another. Bro, there's so much governmental talk this episode. This shit is crazy, OD. I would not be able to survive in these political aspects. Like how he was telling him, like, can you address me as, no, bruh, your name is Steven. I'm gonna call you fucking Steven. Oh, my man is reading that manga. What are you reading? What's he reading over there, huh? You explained it again? Oh my god, another Jesus. I can't wait to get the ones with her again. I cannot wait. Yeah, I remember all this. Yeah, I remember this. I remember getting heated in this moment, right? I can't wait for you to get the ones again with no fucking barrier above me. And I'm a demon lord. Yeah, all that. Bring that ass here, you know what I'm saying? Don't be humble, bro. You know there was a barrier above you. She is a model knight who has never once violated the teachings of Lord Luminous. Giperia 4500, thank you for the follow. Yo, what's up? The magic used to summon otherworlders is a forbidden ritual that cannot be exposed to the public eye. More, what's up, Luffy? More dialogue. It's likely the reason it was never mentioned to you. It is because the teachings of Lord Luminous forbid making deals with monsters. Okay, okay. How should I go instead of finish the job? No, how about you not go? I'd rather you not go because we just got you back. Remember 2 episodes ago when you were on the floor dead? How about nah? Oh, my boy Veldora was about to join into the conversation. That's time, bro. Man, fuck the church. Blow that church up in the show. Bro, I would not send any of my troops to go fight this girl alone. She literally has an item that can just kill you, like easily though. Not just like some random sword that you found, right? This shit can fucking murder you, and like, and it hurts monsters especially. There's a lot of things I don't even know. I can't even put my finger on it. Oh, you is doomed to fall. Don't end it like this. Don't end it on more exposition that should be just said right here. Hey. Don't end it like that, bruh. Is there an end credit scene? No, there isn't. You bastards. You absolute bastards. You couldn't say more words in this episode than you already did, or what? Damn. Alright, so obviously coming off of first episode to this, and it's, you know, I don't usually stream at this time. It's pretty early in the morning. It's a lot of exposition. I'm awake for it. You know, that gunshot earlier really made me, like, you know, wake the hell up. Obviously, I'm still paying attention. I'm still understanding what's everything's happening. It's just, you know, when I'm, you know, I always tread lightly with these types of episodes just because it is exposition heavy, and it's more just like we're both, if you're rewatching this, it's more or less you're just watching me try and understand it as well. So if I missed anything in the comments section, just let me know. I would appreciate it. Don't yell at me though. Leave a like so you guys can so other people can see this video as well. And if you guys enjoyed it, I'm going to be doing more, a lot more of this show. So every single Tuesday, expect this to be up bright and early, and come out to the stream so you guys can watch this live. When these episodes start getting really OD, I want you guys to be here for it. And subscribe if you guys are new, welcome, and go to the Patreon side of things if you guys want to go check out, you know, all the exclusive content that's on there only for the Patrons. With that being said, Big Chiefs, I hope you guys have a wonderful, fantastic rest of your day, another anime. I'm watching One Piece later. Go check out the stream. Peace out, y'all. Because you want better grades, right? Yo? What the fuck? Like, what do you mean? Like, just, you like me as a person? Thanks. Wait, unless? Yeah.